Hey everyone, I am here in Jacksonville, Florida at the IKEA, and I'm going to show you some amazing products that will really help you organize your home. This is the beginning of a new year and it's time to get organized. So come on with me and let's go find some cool stuff.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination Fulltime.
So we're in the gallery in IKEA where they show you all the cool products and how they're being used. And I wanted to show you this. If you have an office or a desk and you have any wall space above it, get one of these. There is so much you can do and keep everything organized at your desk. These are really, really great. And you can buy different components. You can just get the wall alone. Is $10, and then they have all the different things you can add. This is a very inexpensive way to keep your desk above your desk organized. Also, you can put them in your closet. Let me show you. You can put them in your closet and hang your jewelry, sunglasses, all this extra stuff. This is an awesome way to keep organized in your home. Here's another way to use those desk organizations. You can actually use them for tools as well, and whether you're in a regular house, you can use it in your garage. If you're in a tiny home or an RV, you can use it in your storage space. But great way to use these walls. Here are the different size pegboards: $16.99, $22.99, and the biggest one is $27.99. And remember, these come in different colors and can be used for everything when it comes to organization. This here is a scub, and what this does is there's 6 different compartments you can put inside a drawer, and it helps you organize all your stuff. So if you have socks and underwear, you want to keep all that separate, this is a really great way to do it. And I believe they come in white and charcoal. It's just a matter of what your local IKEA has in stock. This is the Kugus, whatever you say. They have all different sizes, and this particular one, they all fit with each other. So you have $3.49 each for these little ones, $4.99 for the big one that it nestles in, and these are amazing. Let me show you. I've had these for years, and I continue to add to my collection because it really does help me organize my crafts and all my extra little doodads. Okay, here it is, the mother lode of organization. These things come in every shape, every size, and several colors. Sometimes you come and they don't have colors, they just have white. But today it looks like they have a dark teal and some black. And they have some new sizes too. These are so cute. These will help you organize everything in your house. Closet, pantry, anything and everything. They're awesome. Cube storage is huge. If you have a cube, you know, one of these, there is so many different options on the boxes that you can put in them. Here at IKEA, they have white, they have black and white, they have some blue and black. They pretty much have just about anything, and they're really great for holding anything and everything you need to hide. Okay, this is one of my most favorite things here at IKEA. They are so versatile. I'm not even going to try to pronounce them, but they are the same hard plastic that the little containers with the lids have. These have a little cutout, and they work in your drawers, in your cabinets, in your closets. You can get white in the small one or large one, and then they have the small one also in black. These are really great for your pantry. If you have an RV, you don't want things to move around while traveling, so they would be great for that as well. But really it's to keep everything organized, and that is what we're here to do. The little ones are $4.99 and the big ones are $6.99. So for that price, you can afford to organize your home. These little containers are so great, especially for organizing all your little things, and they stack. And you will get a 3-pack for $3.99, but they stack and they hold all of your little things. The lid just flips up and snaps back down, and you can stack them. Really, really nice way to stay organized in your cabinet. So I love this product. I can't pronounce it, but it is a plastic bag dispenser, and you can put so many plastic bags in this thing, keep it in your pantry. You can also use this for wrapping paper this way or this way, and you can also use it for craft vinyl. If you're one of those that like to do crafts, it would work really good to organize your stuff, and they are on sale right now for $2.99. These little containers are perfect for organizing your food in your pantry. These are on sale for $4.49, but even if they were full price, they're pretty fantastic, and they're a great way to keep your pantry organized. One thing I really like is these metal utensil holders. $4.99 right now on sale, and they really help you keep all your utensils uncluttering the drawer and right next to the oven where you need them. These baskets are great too for organization, and they also come in a variety of colors. The thing is, when you come, you have to get all you need the first time, because I do know when you come back, there's always going to be different colors. If you're one of those that has to matchy everything like I am, you need to get all of it at one trip. But these also have lids, and they just are airy. They have the holes in them. I like that. I think I like the solid ones better, because that's what I've had for years and that's what matches, but these new ones are great. So this is a variety of clear bins in different shapes and sizes, and they really help you organize your big stuff, or if you need storage somewhere, keep everything nice and neat, and you can see it. Different sizes. Looks like they all have lids as well. Here's some more over here, different sizes. These are great because you can come to one place and you can get all of them instead of having to go to Lowe's and go to Home Depot. Come to IKEA and they have all the bins you need. Here is more of the clear bins, and it shows you the different sizes and prices. So $6.99. Let's see what this one is. That one doesn't say. $12.99, $17.99. These are great because they all match, and they come in all the sizes. This was my favorite thing when we moved into being full-time RVers. It was all we had. We had no space. We'd ordered a larger fifth wheel, but we were able to hang everything to dry in the shower. It was pretty funny because it was so cute to use. But I do kind of miss it, but I certainly don't miss the smaller RV. One of the coolest things with organization is you need it everywhere. What about in your suitcase? You know those little cube things that you can buy to separate your clothes out and help you organize them? They have them here at IKEA for $5.99. 3 different sizes that go in your luggage. This is totally not an organization thing, but I've been wanting this family and this traveler sign forever. And guess what? They're on sale for $149. Love it. I'm also getting my happy place. Very cool signs that I've wanted for so long. So if you're not a type of person that has a green thumb and you want to have plants but you don't want to have to water them and keep track of them, here is the best selection of really cool plants. And it looks like you have a variety and that you actually water them, but you don't have to. I love that about the plants here at IKEA. Look at these tiny little plants. A 3-pack is only $5.99, but that is so cute and looks so lifelike. It would look great anywhere you want to put them. These bath mats are so great. They dry fast and they have a non-slip underneath them. You can machine wash them. I had a teal one I got from here 3 years ago, and it is perfect timing that I'm here right now because I need a new one. Gray is pretty neutral, so I'll be happy to get that one. I bet you want to see my haul, see what I got. It all fits nice in my handy dandy little bag that I got a couple years ago. Every now and then IKEA does decorative bags, so it all fit in there. I had a great time and I really appreciate you going along with me. See you soon.
And living in the RV is sublime. Destination full time.